The International 9000 series was a line of Class 8 semi-trailer trucks manufactured by International Trucks. The 9000 series is of a conventional layout with single or tandem rear axles and is available in either a Daycab or sleeper configuration. Engines used were Cat Detroit Cummins. As of 2017, all 9000 series were discontinued and replaced by International's LT and RH series, along with their HX series models. The 9000 series consisted of 4 models: 9100, discontinued; 9200i, discontinued; 9400i, discontinued; 9800, discontinued; 9800i, discontinued; 9900i, discontinued; 9900X, discontinued.